Hello. Yes, take a seat. How have you been? Good, good. How's baby feeling? Movement's been okay? Yes, I always look forward to the days where I get to see you coming in. I feel like your pregnancy is going by so quickly. You feel it too? Yes, it's crazy. All right. Well, you know me. I, as the medical assistant, Lee, am going to get your vitals. I'm going to give you a urine cup so you can leave us a urine sample so that Lena, the PA, can do just the typical routine OB visit for you. But just a few questions. I know you said fetal movement has been good, which is great. Anything new? Anything going on? Do you need refills on prenatals? You think you're good there? Awesome. Ooh, looks like we are officially third trimester, 28 weeks today. So that is super exciting. Now, do you need a breast pump formula to take home? Okay. And your family's been good starting off the new year, right? Good, good. I love to hear it. Okay. Just gonna put some hand sanitizer. We'll get your blood pressure. Your blood pressures have been great thus far. Yeah. All right. I'm gonna stop talking for now. You'll rest both feet. Just don't cross them. We'll use this arm. Awesome. Just gonna come around here. No, you look fantastic. All right. Let's get you going. Okay, let me take this off. Okay, so your blood pressure is a bit higher than what it normally is. It was about 144/86. Yeah, that's kind of high for you, but you've been feeling okay? Good. Yeah, normal years are like, what, like in the teens? Like 117 in the 70s? Yeah. Okay. No cause for panic here, but just something to make a note of. It's good that you're not having any symptoms. Yeah, much better sign. Are you feeling anxious or anything happened before you came in? No, that's okay. That's totally okay. And no one's sick around you or baby, right? Okay, good. Good. Yeah, I'll make sure to inform the PA and then she'll kind of review it with you and stuff. Your urine sample that you're gonna leave is gonna tell us a lot more too. Yep. I'm just glad you're feeling good. All right. Under the tongue per usual. All right. Very good. All of that checks out here. Okay. So, what I'm going to have you do is you are just going to leave me a urine sample, and then I'm going to leave a test strip for Leanna, the PA, and then she'll check. You know, as always, we screen for spilling glucose, protein, make sure there's no signs of a urinary tract infection. So I will give this cup to you. And then Leanna, the PA, will be in to do your OB visit and to kind of go over your blood pressure and urine and all of that. Absolutely. As always, a pleasure seeing you. And then I'll probably see you again in 2 weeks if I don't see you after your visit. Yes, this is officially 3rd trimester. All right, good luck. Alrighty. Hey, Mom, how are we feeling today? Good, good. And fetal movement has been going good for you? Awesome. I heard your blood pressure was a little bit higher than it normally is. Okay, that's no problem at all. We'll take a look, okay? All right, let me go grab your urine sample just to see if this shows anything. I'm just gonna dip it here. You're not having any symptoms today, right? Good. All right, so it does look like there's a trace amount of protein in your urine. So what we really want to focus on and talk about today is a condition called Pre-Eclampsia, or high blood pressure in pregnancy. You know, of course, this was your first elevated value, so we want to keep a close eye on you. But with Preeclampsia, we really, you know, worry about people who start having more severe symptoms, but you haven't had any like long persistent headaches, black spots, or changes in visuals, no extreme right upper quadrant tenderness or pain, and no abnormal swelling, right? Right, and then I'm just going to check on those things while we get heart tones and measure your fundal height. But those are what we call pre-eclampsia precautions. So what I want to do is some baseline pre-E labs on you, just to make sure that we're not missing anything. And then I'll call you. We'll keep a closer eye out. But these are symptoms to look out for at home. And if you notice any changes, you give me a call right away. Yes, it's always good to be aware of what you should look out for 3rd trimester. Or any conditions in general while you're pregnant. So with that being said, I heard fetal movement is good though. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Let me kind of fix it up here. I'm going to cover you. We are going to get heart tones first. All right, and you're okay with blood work today, right? I'm gonna kind of cover you up here. Let me get the lubricant. Might be a little cold, as you probably already know. All right. Let's listen to baby. Oh yeah, I feel them. Heart tones are beautiful today, measuring in the 130s. Awesome. All right. Let me wipe that lubricant off for you, and then we're going to measure your fundal height. Can you feel my hands here? All right. Measuring appropriately as well, so far so great. All Let me just write that stuff down here. All right. Awesome. I'm just going to press on you a little bit here. Just let me know if any of it causes you pain. No pain, right? Okay. I'm just going to lift the drape here just to look at your legs. All right, very good. Now that you're in the 3rd trimester, are you familiar with kick counting? Yes, correct. So this is another thing you want to monitor with the pre-eclampsia precautions that we talked about. Yes. All right. Oh, and by the way, I took a look at your 1-hour sugar test and you passed, so congratulations. You're so welcome. All right. The last part here is we are going to get the pre-eclampsia lab work done, just to kind of get your baseline labs. Are you okay if we use this arm here? Awesome. Oh, here's Sally the speculum to squeeze onto her. Now you're still taking your prenatals every day? Good. All right. Just wipe you off here. Feel a little poke, okay? Yep, you'll keep making that fist on Sally there. Alright, little poke. Very good, you're doing great. Awesome. Very good, very good. All right, I'm gonna take that sample and package it up here. I'm gonna hold this down a second. Kind of put a gauze here. Good. How are you feeling? You're still doing okay? Good. Oh, and you're not having any vaginal bleeding or loss of fluid? Awesome, awesome, awesome. I'm gonna wrap you up here. It's not too tight, right? Okay. Get this right down. Awesome. Alright, and then I'm just gonna put some tape on there, and then I'm just gonna write down the precautions that we talked about for you to be mindful of at home. Do you by chance have a blood pressure cuff? That's totally okay. Yeah, that's absolutely fine. That'll be great. Does that feel secure? Good, good, good. All right, Mom. So, let's see. I was going to write you down precautions. All right. This is what we call the pre-eclampsia precautions. And I will write down the symptoms that you may experience. The second you feel like you do, please let me know. I know this was your first blood pressure elevation, so we're just going to keep a close eye out for you, okay? Yes. Yeah? Okay. So here there's the list. Does all of that make sense that I wrote down there? Exactly, yep. Yep. Yes, and then the blood work should be back pretty quickly. I'll give you a call tomorrow to review it. Yes, I do anticipate it being back at that time, absolutely. It is absolutely my pleasure. It is so good that you stay well informed and kind of know what to look out for as far as like warning signs and stuff like that. But your baby, everything is going great today, measuring well, heart tones are beautiful. Sounds like your kid counts have been going well as well. So definitely just keep an eye out for any changes, and then we'll sort of reassess your blood pressure the next time that you're in. As always, it is my pleasure. You take your time. I just drew your blood, so if you feel dizzy, you could stay laying down. If not, the girls will see you at checkout. Now that you're in your 3rd trimester, I want to see you every 2 weeks up until 36 weeks, and then we'll see you weekly. Now, of course, if anything changes, though, regarding the lab work results or future blood pressure readings, then we may even want to see you more frequently than that. But as of right now, you are all set. Absolutely, absolutely. Well, you have a fantastic rest of your day, and me and you will be in touch very soon. For sure. I'll see ya.